Are you interested in something not only beautiful but flavorful and nutritious? If you're interested in something different, come let's make this one together. So we have scallion, thyme, red and green bell pepper, hot pepper. We have some garlic, and we also have two different type of onion. The red or purple onion, as you want to call it, and the yellow onion or white onion. So we could chop up this. Alright, so we have to do the onion then first. Alright, scallion, turn this. So we have the scallion. Tomato. I want more tomato for. Do I? If more, I put tomato in the rice. Do I want to put tomato in the rice? Or no? I don't know no one though. Alright, what kind of rice may I make? Vegetable rice. The tomato will give it a little color so that it's not white. So I might put a little in it. Alright, so I cut up one more. Guys, I'm so silent today. I don't have much going on. How much more I want to tell you about? Alright, so I'm gonna chop some bell pepper. We have red, green, and yellow bell pepper. Tell me. everybody, this is all we have. So I have some baby spinach and I go rough chop. I chop it big, put in the rice too. Because we have this and it's in the fridge, I go bad. So why not use some in the rice? You know, I chop it up finely. Just around the knife through it a few times. Alright. We're going with a little olive oil. Alright, to that we are going with a piece of butter. Come on. To that we're going with a piece of butter. We're going with onion, the garlic, some scallion, thyme. Alright, we have combined that. Going with tomato. But I'm going to use all of it today. And we have some bell pepper. We have red, green, and yellow. Alright, so now going with some spinach. Some of the people put little callaloo in there. So I'm going to grab a little callaloo and add to that. Alright. Alright, now going with some coconut milk. Add some more water to this. Alright, I'm going to season up the pot here now. I'm going to add a pepper. I'm going to add a little salt. Cover this, make everything come together. When we come back, I'm going to taste it and adjust it. And then we'll add the rice. Alright, so after 10 minutes, we'll go back in and check on the rice. Let's taste it. Let's see what I've got. It's nice, you see? Alright, I put one chicken bouillon in there. And a little black pepper. Guys, if you don't want to change the color, you can add a little turmeric or one of the guy says on there, you know, the orange pack one, if that one has sweet too. But we are working with this. Alright, so now we are going with some rice. Alright, I'll combine this properly. Too much liquid this, but I want to take it out because I like the taste side. So you know, I'm going to do up and wash a spoonful of rice and come back quick and fast. Add that. Combine everything together properly. Just let me move them all bushy. Cover this and give it about 50 minutes and then we'll come back. Alright, to see what I'm going with the rice. remove the pepper. Fluff the rice. So I'll give this 5 minutes and come back. Alright. And this is it, guys. This one is definitely worth a try. It's full of flavor, it's full of nutrients, packed with everything you need. Very delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you support this video, and I will definitely see you guys in another one. Bye, guys. This is it. All right, guys, it's done. I'm ready for share.